Hey, Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranberry Fields Flower Farm, and I'm coming to you today on a very different format than I usually am on. I'm on a Google Meets, and I'm doing this because I wanted to make a super fast video because Amazon has this amazing program going right now where you can thank your Amazon drivers. You can give them a $5 tip that Amazon pays for as long as you just plug in these simple words into the Amazon search bar. So my sister-in-law, Nora King, told me about this. My maiden name's King. Her name is Nora King. She told me last night, and she said, if you plug in the words, and I'll tell you exactly what they are, if you plug in the words, thank my driver, into the Amazon search bar, it'll populate like underneath it. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in a minute, but it will populate like a little hyperlink, and it says, you know, we will give, you know, like your driver will be thanked for free. So we don't have to pay anything, and they'll wind up getting $5 just because you went in there and wrote the words, thank my driver. And I wasn't sure if it was going to work. It did work. It worked last night. I tried it again this morning. It is December 14th of 2023. And I looked into it, and sure enough, like USA Today has an article on it. I think it said something like, and I'll link the article in descriptions below, that Amazon's going to allow the first, I think it's like 2 million people to do this, to tip their drivers $5 at no cost to them. So it won't cost us anything. Amazon will cover the tip. So here's how it's done. And once again, I'm going to put these instructions in descriptions below. And here's how it works. So let me switch you over. I'm using Google Meets, and I'm doing a screen recording right now. So bear with me. I'm going to try to do this super fast because I know everybody's really busy for the holidays. So I'm just going to share my screen. I'm going to do entire screen here, and I'm going to share it. And I'm going to show you how I do that on my Amazon. Okay, and I'm going, well, you can tell I had already done this. So I typed in thank my driver. I could just click this and let it auto-populate, but I'm going to actually, I want to walk you through the step. So thank my, oops, spelled driver wrong, sorry. Driver. I'm going to hit return. And here, this populates underneath it. So I typed in thank my driver in the Amazon search bar, and sorry, you have to go to the hyperlink underneath. So there's like a little picture of a driver. When you click on this, thank my driver, it's a hyperlink that says, let the driver of your most recent delivery know they are appreciated. Click here to say thanks. And when I click here, it says, thank you for your appreciation. We'll share your thanks with your driver. And so I thought that was really exciting. So thank you, Nora King, for sharing that with me. And now I can share it with others. And guys, share this, you know, with other people. And this is what I consider to be like the butterfly effect. So like Nora told me about this great way to help somebody, you know, you guys are going to go tell your family and friends. And so that just helps other people, and it continues to grow and grow. And guys, it's the holiday season. So there's like a million different ways that you can, you know, help spread that love. You know, sometimes it's as simple as giving a smile to a stranger, and then they wind up, you know, smiling at strangers. And you know, sometimes you can really make the difference in a person's life just by something as simple as a smile, or something like, you know, donating food to a local food pantry, or giving to like food to the poor, or like adopting a family for Christmas, as far as doing some shopping for them if they don't have enough money to buy, you know, gifts for their kids. So there's a million different ways to spread that love and to share the butterfly effect. But, you know, so keep passing it on, paying it forward. And like Mother Teresa says, do small things with great love. And so, Flower family, I want to thank you so much. I'm so appreciative of each and every one of you in our Flower Tribe. And I'm going to post this real quick so that the program doesn't go away as I'm rambling on. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video, and God bless all of you. Bye.